Hello guys, and welcome to the channel again. So guys, it's been long since I uploaded the video, and I've been busy backtesting here and there, and we were active on our free telegram channel. You can join the free telegram channel, link is just in the description of the video, so you can join. So guys, I'm going to take this opportunity to introduce you a very good opportunity where we can learn together. Okay, so guys, I'm so happy for this one, and from the title of the video you already know what you're about to do in these upcoming videos. So guys, trading $50 account challenge plan. This is just the plan. The next video I'll be dropping the first trade that we shall be taking on this $50 account. The initial balance is $50, and this is what we shall be doing. I hope it's visible on your screens, guys. Okay, so this is what we shall be doing. As you can see, the trading initial balance is $50. I just want to run you through what I'll be doing on the next videos, okay, or the next upcoming video that I'll be uploading. So this is just the rough work that I've done here, and hoping you will be with me in this journey. Okay, so be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribe to the channel and join my free telegram channel. I'll be dropping an ebook on the description of this video, so be sure to go and check that ebook as well, and join the free telegram channel. For mentorship, you can just reach me out, link in the description of the video as well. So in this trading plan, the initial balance is $50. I've already deposited the money. Okay, I'm just ready to take any trade. Starting from tomorrow, I'll be executing the trade. So each and every trade that I'll be taking here, I'll be posting them on the telegram channel. So it's very good and very important to join that channel. Okay, so the initial balance is $50, and the lot size that we shall be using are this one. These are the lot sizes: 0.05, 0.01, 0.1 or 0.05 on our third trade. When we have two winning streak, first trade win, second trade win, then we increase our lot size to 0.1. But if we have lost trade 1 and trade 2, we just use this 0.05 lot size. Okay, and if we win this third trade and fourth trade by using 0.1 lot size, we shall increase our lot size to 0.2. That's the plan. Hope it makes sense. Okay, I hope it makes some sense. So on our first trade, this is our first trade. Okay, this is our first trade. On our first trade, we are looking forward to take our first trade with a lot size of 0.01. Okay, with a lot size of 0.05. Sorry, and our profit target is 1 to 2 plus RR. Our RR is 1 to 2 plus. Okay, so and our lose, we are going to place our stop loss just $10. Okay, risking $10, 0.05 risking $10. That is 20 pips away. Okay, just 20 pips away in case we are using 0.05 lot size. The same thing as a second trade as well. On our second trade, we shall in this case, if we lose, our account will come back at negative 40. Okay, so we shall have negative $10 on this. Okay, but if we win, it will be 60. So if we win, we come to the next day and trade. We shall be taking one trade in a day, or even no trade, or even two trades in a week. Okay, no rush. Okay, no rush. Mostly I'll be trading gold. That's what I will be trading mostly. My strategy, I've backtested it, and it worked perfect. It is working perfectly with gold. Yeah, we're trading mostly gold. So this is the second trade. We shall be risking $10. We shall be risking $10 and making, let's say, $30. Making $30. If you make $30 in this account, if you make $30, we shall come here and increase our lot size on our third trade and be risking increase our lot size to 0.1, hence risking $10. This is 10 pips. If you use a lot size of 0.1, we shall be risking 10 pips, and 10 pips in gold. I'll try my best. 10 pips in gold, just a sniper entry. That's why I'm telling you, we shall not be taking trades every day. Yeah, 10 pips on gold is crazy. So on that trade, we are targeting more than even $60. So trade 1, trade 2 win, trade 1 win, trade 2 win, trade 3 win. We shall be at about $100. That's crazy. So when you come to the fourth trade now, okay, if we lose here on the third trade, we shall retain our 0.05 lot size, hence risking 20 pips, and if we lose $10, and if we target 1 to 2, $20 plus. Okay, $20 plus. Yeah, on our fifth, let's go to the fifth trade. If we win, if we make a win on our fourth trade, okay, so that means that we shall be having $60+ on this fourth trade, and on our fifth trade we shall increase our lot size to 0.2. Again here, our pips stop loss, we shall increase it to about 40 pips. Okay, this is 20 pips. Shall increase it to 20 pips. Okay, this is 20 pips since 0.2. 20 pips stop loss and a 0.2 lot size. Hence we shall be making about $80 on these. Targeting about $80. 80, that's insane. With gold is possible. With the strategy that I'm currently using, it's very, very possible. So guys, I'm urging you guys to go and to the description of this video, join the free Telegram channel where I'll be posting the signals and everything. Guys, I'm back and I'm very happy. Let's kill this market together. Let's kill it. Okay, so I'm going to drop an ebook on the description of the video as well. Just stay tuned for these amazing videos that are coming on the way. Okay, so this is the first video, and the second video will be of the analysis of the trade that I will have take. Of course, it will be a win. It will be a good win. Very good one. Yeah, so be sure to join the free Telegram channel, link on bio. That's all about this video, and let's meet into another video. Peace out.